Here's an update from Lavalle, Brown & Ronan.
It's rare to drive on highways or roads without seeing big rigs nearby, and since most of us are in smaller vehicles, any collisions with these 18-wheelers can be catastrophic, potentially resulting in serious personal injury or wrongful death. While safety should be a paramount concern of the trucking industry, often their primary motive is to deliver freight to its destination as quickly as possible. Whether encouraged by the trucking companies or on their own initiative, truck drivers may engage in speeding and aggressive driving in order to finish their job and start another one as quickly as they can, says personal injury lawyer Ken Ronan. Trucking companies can be responsible for the negligence of their employee drivers. In addition, the company may also be responsible if the truck was improperly loaded, if the driver was not adequately trained, or if the truck was not thoroughly inspected and maintained. If you've suffered an injury from a trucking accident, you will need a dedicated advocate on your side. Lavalle, Brown & Ronan's team of experienced litigators can help you and your family get the results you desire.
For more information, visit bocalaw.com.